What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript, and we're going to be talking about links. As you can tell right here, I have a couple couple sections right here where I created. So mine has my name and the other one has Mr. Beast. Okay, the other card. The first card it has um, href, and we have a link for my YouTube channel right here, and also I have a link for my GitHub. I have a lot of projects that I have done in the past, but I never push my code to GitHub or anything like that. But anyway, so now I got those two, and now for Mr. Beast I have his YouTube channel right here, same thing, and also I have his Twitter account. Okay, so what's going to happen? As you can tell, the Anchor has a href attribute and a class attribute, but there is an attribute that we can use by the name target. So we're going to be using the target attribute that's going to allow us to designate the destination of the link's location. Okay, let's go now our script, but let me show you what we have so far. Let's go to the browser, and this is what we have. Okay, if I click in my YouTube channel, it's going to just um, open the link just in the same page. So it's taking some time for my YouTube channel, right? Okay, let's go back. But with JavaScript, what we want to accomplish is to open in a different tab. Okay, let's see. Let's go back. Where are we? Right here. Okay. So, so let's do that. Let's go ahead and use it. Give me 1 second. Let's create a variable. Say let links equals document. We're going to use a query selector all, and then here we're going to be using all the class names by the class that has the name tag, all the elements that has the class name tag. That's what we're going to be using right here. uh, Tag, semicolon, and right here we're going to be using links. We're going to be using the variable name links that for each, and then like before we were saying, right, like in the previous example that we talked about, oh man, for each function, right? I said that it's only a feature for arrays, and actually these links that we have, they are not arrays, but you can use it as an array because you have different tags, different links, and it's okay to use it with in this situation, in this case, where we're going to be targeting some attributes. Yeah, like let's create a function, anonymous function right here, but we're going to use a link as a parameter, and then we're going to be using a link, going to use link that. So we're going to set this attribute, and we're going to add the target. Oh my goodness, it's a target, and then we're going to do the comma, and the value is going to be blank. Semicolon. Let's save it. So basically what this function is going to do for each is going to iterate. When we run the program, is going to um, run in a loop, which is going to do it for every single link on the page. So when you click, let's go back to our browser, let's save it. So if I click in YouTube, it should open this in a new tab, which is not doing it. Okay, we gotta go back and check. So this is taking so long too. My internet's a little bit slow. But anyway, let's just stop. It should open up in a new tab. So let's see what we did wrong. Maybe it's a typo. Let's check our. So we got links, document. So we got query selector all. So we're using the class tag. Here's the links. That for each function. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Link, and you have link that set attribute. Um, Set attribute, and then oh yeah, that's what. See, I told you it was just a typo. I always have a typo. A target. So now we save that. Well, let's go back, and that should work. Yes, open up in a different tab. Okay, let's go to my GitHub. Let's open Mr. Beast YouTube channel and the Twitter. So okay, so we got Mr. Beast Twitter right here. We got Mr. Beast almost there with the channel. Okay, already have 201 million subscribers. Oh wait, it says not enough memory to open this page. Yeah, maybe that's why it's been very slow. I got so many tabs open. I gotta close all my tabs. That's my GitHub page, and this is my YouTube channel. And open it. Okay, cool. Yeah, and also we can remove it. Uh, okay, that worked. And the one thing that we can do, like I said before, we can also remove that. So we just say remove attribute, and this you save it, and this is just remove that. It should just open in the same tab. Yeah, same tab. Okay, cool. Go back, GitHub. Yes, my GitHub. Yeah, cool. So that worked. Hopefully this video helped you out. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. Alright, and have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.